Welcome to the today's session. So in this video we are going to see the programs unpacking of a hexadecimal number, black move of an array a square plus b square, a square plus b square. So these three programs today we are going to see. First, what is unpacking of a hexadecimal number? Suppose previously we discussed about packing of two hexadecimal number. For example, 04 one number, 05. So we converted as 45. So now the input is 45. We are going to unpack it 04 and 05. So this is our program. So for example, the number is 01. So in binary format 000 0001, and the second number is 08 00 unpacking of a number. So the number is 81. So 81, for 8 it is 1000, it is 8, and for 1 0001. So we are going to unpack this number as 08 and 01. So this is our aim. So the logic is, first we have to separate this number as 81 and 18 first. So we need to convert this 81 as the 81 and 18. Then we have the two numbers 81 and 18. So for 81 the same number 1000, then 10001. So this is for 81. So the 81 number is going to convert as 01. So we have to mute this 08. So you have to mute this 8 and you have to convert the number as 1 only. So what we are going to do is, so this number is going to be AND with 0f. It is going to be AND with 0f. So the number AND with the 0 is going to be converted as 0, and AND with f is the same number. For example, from 0f 000 for f 1111. So we are going to make the AND operation. So AND operation 0 10, it is 0, AND operation 000 000 000, and it is 10, it is 0, and 10 it is 0, 10 it is 0, and 11 it is 1. So if we are AND this 81 with the 0f, we get the number is 0000 is 0, then 0001 is 1. So the first answer we get. So this is our record answer 01. So we get. How we can get is, so the first we are going to convert this 81 to 81 and 18. So first we took the 81 and it's AND with the 0f. The first number or first output we get. Then we are going to convert the 81 as 18. So for that we are going to do 4 times of RRC. See, we already studied about 4 times of RRC. 4 times of RRC makes this 81 as 18. So after 4 times of RRC, this 81 is converted as 18. So 18, our number is 0001 81000. It is also AND with 0f. So this number is also AND with 0f. So, for 0, 40, for F, 41. So, if you add this number, so we get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, it is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and the number is, the 40 is 0, 10 is 8. So, this is the way we are going to unpack the number. So, the first answer 0, 1 is here, the second answer is here. So, this is the logic. So, first we are going to convert, first we get the number and it is a AND with 0f, and the same number is rotated 4 times and again AND with 0f. So, we get the answer 0, 8 and 0, 1. So, this is what we are going to write a program. So, first let us assume the number 81 is available in 8500 H. So, in the memory location 8500, we have the input data 81. So, we are going to unpack the number and we are going to store the result in 8501. So, the answer should be 08 8502. The answer is 0. This is our aim. The first number is input and second two numbers is output. So, first we are going to initialize the memory pointer. So, LXI H comma 8500. Then, so we are going to get the number from 8500. So, move A comma M. Then, the first number 81 directly we are going to AND with 0f. So, A and I and I 0 f. So, first after executing LXI H comma 4500, HL is equal to 8/00, and after executing second instruction, move A comma M. So, from the memory the data is moved to accumulator. The memory is pointed by HL pair. So, in the HL pair the number is 81. So, 81 is stored in accumulator. So, A and I F0 H 0F H. So, after that the number is AND, that is accumulator is AND with 0F. So, the accumulator is here 81. So, 81 is AND with 0F. So, now the accumulator content is 08. Sorry, accumulator content is 01. So, this is 01. So, the first data 01 here, and second data 08 is here. So, the answer is 01, first answer we get. So, we are going to store the data in the next location. So, INX H, then the HL pair will become 8501. The answer is available in accumulator. So, that we are going to move M comma A. So, the accumulated data is moved to memory. That memory address is pointed by HL pair. HL pair is 4501. So, here the 01 is stored. So, next we are going to make the 4 times RRC the content 81. but the content is available in the location 4500. Here the pointer is incremented as 8501. So here, so otherwise we can make a backup data. So actually move a comma m. So here I am going to back up the number to another one register. Move b comma m. So now the same data is available in b also. So move a comma m, the accumulated data is stored in 8501. The first answer is there. Then the data, original data is available in b, because accumulated data is now 01. So here again move the b raised content to accumulator, sorry, a comma b. So now the accumulator content again became to, it is 81. So the b raised content is 81, is moved to accumulator 81. So now again the same, we are going to do 4 times RRC, 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 RRC. We can do also RLC. So after 4 times RRC, the accumulator content is now 81 is become 18. So now A and I and immediate with the 0 F X. So now the 0 F is, it is 0 F, 0 F, the number, original data number. 18 is AND with 0. So this is 18 is AND with 0 F. So the answer is 08. Now the accumulator content is 08. So because we AND the accumulator content 18 with 0F. So that accumulator answer is 08. So we are going to store in the next location. So INX H. So now the pointer HL pair will become 8502. Then we are going to store the data, move m comma a, so that in 8502 we have stored the accumulator content is 08. So this is our answer. So we unpack the number HLT. So this is a way. So we are unpacked this 81 number as 01 and 08. Okay. The next program we are going to do is this is black move of an array. So what is this is? In a computer we are cut the one content, desktop we have one file, cut the file and paste into C colon, D colon, etc. So this is the operation. So we are having on data, for example, the data is available in 8000 memory location. So 8000 memory location 15, 8501, 06, 8502, 56, 8503, 55, 8504, 87, 8505, 8D, 8A, 8506, F0 and 8507 AB. So this is the data available in an array. So the array is started, array is a number of hexadecimal numbers. So starting from 8500 to 8507, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 numbers. Totally 8 numbers is available in 8500 to 8507. It has to move to the new memory location 9000 x to 9007. So this is a problem statement. We have an array starting from 8500 to 8507. We are going to move the array of data to the new memory location 9000h and 9000h to 9007. So 9000 la undu 15, 9001 06, 9002 56 like this. So we are going to move. So for that, so we are going to initialize two memory pointers. So we are going to, so for that the basic instruction is here, the new instruction we are going to use LDAX H. So the meaning is load accumulator from a memory, that memory is pointed by HL pair. So load accumulator को data move பண்ணனும் from a memory, that memory address is pointed by HL pair, so that we directly HL pair we are going to store 8500. Then another instruction is we are going to move the data to 9000. So for that the instruction we are going to use is stacks B. So we have to move the accumulated data to the memory, that memory address is pointed by BC pair. So this is a instruction we are going to, important instruction we are going to use. So load the data from the memory location, that memory location is stored in HL pair. So store the data available in the accumulator, so which is available in BC pair. So that we are going to initialize two memory location like this. So first LXH comma 8000, like we are going to initialize two locations. One is for the source data, another one is destination data. So the first insertion is LXI H comma 8500H, because we are going to read the data from 8500 to 8507. So we are going to store the data to 9000 to 9007. So that again going to initialize another pointer LXI B comma 9000H. Okay. So we can read the data using this LDAX, and we can store the data using stacks. So this is important. Then we are going to have the count number of data. So here number of data is I think 8. So what we are going to do is, the first instruction is MEI count value, MEI BC D comma 08H. This is the count value. So we have stored 08 in D register. So it's a number of data, number of or array size. Array size. Next we did LXH comma 8500. So HL pair will become 8500. Next insertion is BC pair will become 9000. So next instruction is, this is right. So LDAX catch means load accumulator from the memory, that memory is pointed by HL pair. So that HL pair we have 8500. So from the 8500 the data is moved to accumulator. So now accumulator content is 15. So we are going to store the data 15 to 9000. This is our aim. So what we are going to do is stacks B. So now the accumulated data is 15. So we are going to store the accumulated data to the memory location. That memory location is pointed by BC pair. So 9000 is pointed by BC pair. So the accumulated data is stored in 9000. So 15. So the first data is moved to one memory location. So after that, after stacks B, the 9000 memory location, we have the data, first data B. So next we are going to move the second data. Second data, for that we are going to increment the pointer, 2 pointers. So the first pointer we are going to increment 8501, second pointer 9001. Okay. So INX H, then INX B. So the first data we already moved, so that to move the next data, the pointer is incremented. So the HL pair now become 8501 to move the second data, and to store the second data to 9001, so that the BC pair is 9001. Okay. Next we moved already one data. So we moved already single data. So for that we are going to decrease the count value or array size, DCR D. So we are going to decrease the array size. So now the D will be 0, 7. So one data is already moved, so that the remaining array we are going to move is 7. So the D is decremented, so D is 7. So next is jump on no 0 to loop 1. So the D when the 0 agala appadina, we are going to move the loop 1. So the loop 1, the process is LTASK stacks B. This is the so again we are going to put the loop 1 here. So now the D is decremented, then it check for 0, so D is non-zero, so it is go to loop 1. So LTASK sketch, now the data in the memory is pointed by HL pair 8501 is moved to accumulator. So the second data 8501, 06 is moved to accumulator. Then stacks B, so BC pair will show 9001, so that 9001 the data 06 is moved. So second data is also moved 06. Now increment the pointer. So HL pair will become 8502 and the BC pair also 9002. So decrement the count. The count is now 06. So jump it check for 0. It is not 0. So it again move to LTASK H. So the pointer is shown as 8502. So 8502 you have 56. The accumulated data is 56. So 56 is moved to the memory location pointed by BC pair. BC pair now pointed as 9002. So to the 9002 the data is moved 56. The third data 9002 56. So when the D register is 0, so the process is continuing. When the D register is 0, so the whole data, 8 data 9003, it is 55, 9004, 87, 9005, it is 8A, 9006, it is F0, and 9007. So when this count is 0, all the 8 data will be moved from the array starting from 8500 to 9000. So this is a program for black move. So set of data from an array is moved from one location to another location. This is a simple program. So after that, if this D is 0, we are going to halt the program HLT. So this is a simple program to move the array of data. To move the array of data or black move, select this. So So next the final program is a square plus b square. A square plus b square. So we already studied about x square or square a number in a previous class we discussed. So we are going to do 2 times, and after that we are going to make the 16-bit addition. This is our objective. So we are going to get the number and to do the multiplication process and get the another number, again multiplication process. After that we have 2 16-bit numbers. We are going to add these 2 16-bit numbers. For example, so the A is available in 8000. Maybe A is 02. Then B is available in 8001. It is 03. So the answer is our, suppose the answer is 2 square is 4, but the number should be 16-bit number, because we can give higher number also. So that the answer is 16-bit with 04. For 4 it is it is 001, it's 1, 00102, 00113, 0 it is 4. So I think 40004. Sorry, so this is a 16-bit number. So 2 square, the answer is 0004. So 00 is the carry part and 04 is the square of a 2. So and if you square the 3, again the answer is 00 is the carry part and 3 square it is 9. So 00 is the carry part, then 09 is the answer part. Then what we are going to do is, we are going to add the 2 numbers 004 plus 0009. For hexadecimal operation, 9 plus 4 is 9 plus 4 is D. So the answer will be, if you are using calculator, 000 is D. So 9 plus 4 D. So this is our input. A is 2 and B is 3. Our expected answer is 000D. So if you have to square the 2, we get the answer 0004. Square the 3, we get the answer 0009. And adding these two, 000D. So this is our objective. We are going to write a program for that. So first we are going to get the data from 8000. So for that we are going to initialize the memory pointer LXA H comma 8000. So this is common thing. Then again we can copy this program. So previously we already made a program for 8-bit multiplication. So for 8-bit multiplication there are certain rules. So what are the rules is, so the A should be 0. Okay. So this is carry. For carry D is 0. So after that the first number is get to B register and second number is get into C register. One will act as an adder and another will act as a count. So this is already we discussed. So after that add the one number with accumulator content 0 0, the another will act as a count. So when the count is 0, the operation is completed. So this program already we discussed. So we copy this program. So already here we have the we get the two numbers from 8000 and 8001. Suppose we already discussed it. So previous class we 8000லேருந்து ஒரே நம்ம வந்து ஏபிக்கு பதிலாக ஏ ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணணும்னா என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, ஸோ இந்த ஒரு இன்ஸ்டன்ஸ் மட்டும் வேண்டான மாதிரி பார்த்தோம். ஐஎன்எஸ் ஹெச் மட்டும் வேண்டான்னு பார்த்தோம். பிகாஸ் இந்த ஃபஸ்ட் நம்பரும் என்ன தான், ஃபஸ்ட் நம்பரும் 4 தான், செகண்ட் நம்பர் 4 அப்படின்னா, ஸோ இந்த இன்சேஷன் மட்டும் வேண்டான்னு பார்த்தோம். இது டிஸ்கஸ் இன் ஏர்லியர். ஸோ இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, இந்த இப்போ காப்பி பண்ண ப்ரோக்ராமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் ப்ரோக்ராம் ஃபார் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் ஆர் ஏ ஸ்கொயர். ஸோ இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் நம்ம ஃபஸ்ட்லேருந்து திரும்ப பார்ப்போம். ஸோ எல்எக்ஸ்ஐ ஹச்காமா 8000. ஸோ 8000லேருந்து நம்ம என்ன டேட்டா வாங்குறோம்னா, இப்போ வந்து ஹச்எல் பேர் வில் பிகம் 8000. ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுறோம்னா அக்குமுலேட்டர் 0 பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ இஸ் த காமன் ரூல் ஃபார் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன். தென் கேரிக்காக டி ரெஜிஸ்டர் 0 பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே, தென் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேட்டா இஸ் மூவ் டு பி ரெஜிஸ்டர், த சேம் டேட்டா இஸ் மூவ் டு சி ரெஜிஸ்டர். ஏன்னா பிகாஸ் ஏ நமக்கு ஏ ஸ்கொயருங்கிறது ஏ இன்ட்டு ஏ. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஏ அண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் அகெயின் செகண்ட் ஏ. ஸோ த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேட்டா இஸ் மூவ் டு பி ரெஜிஸ்டர் அஸ் வெல் அஸ் சி ரெஜிஸ்டர். ஸோ பியில் என்ன தான் இருக்குது, 02 தான் இருக்குது, அண்ட் சிலையும் 02 தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ நவ் என்ன பண்ணுறோன்னா ஒரு டேட்டா என்ன பண்ணுறோன்னா 00 கூட ஆட் பண்ணுறோம். எத்தனை டைம்ஸ்னால் 0 டைம்ஸ், 02 டைம்ஸ். ஸோ அதனால் ஆட் பி. ஸோ ஏவும் பியும் ஆட் ஆக போகுது 00 ப்ளஸ் 02. ஸோ இதுக்கப்புறம் கேரி இருக்கான்னு பார்க்குறோம். கேரி இருந்தேன்னா கேரிக்காண்டி உள்ள ரெஜிஸ்டர் இன்க்ரிமெண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ இப்போ கேரி இல்லை, ஆன்சர் 02, கேரி இல்லை. ஸோ தட் டிக்ரிமெண்ட் சி கவுண்ட் வந்து டிக்ரிமெண்ட் ஆகும், கவுண்ட் வந்து 01 ஆயிரும். ஸோ கவுண்ட் இஸ் 02. ஸோ கவுண்ட் என்ன ஆகுனா ஒன் டைம் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டோம் 01. ஸோ ஜம்ப் ஆன் 02 லூப். ஸோ லூப்புக்கு வருது. லூப்புக்கு வந்து என்ன பண்ணால் இந்த 02 கூட இன்னொரு டைம் 02 ஆட் ஆகும். ஆன்சர் இஸ் 04. ஸோ இப்போ கேரி இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கும். கேரி இல்லை. ஸோ தட் ஹியர் ஸோ டிக்ரிமெண்ட் சி. ஸோ சி வில் பிகம் 00. ஸோ இங்கே ஜம்ப் ஆன் 0, தி சி இஸ் 0. ஸோ நேராக லூப் போட்டு வெளியே வந்துடும். ஸோ இப்போ என்ன வந்துச்சுன்னா அக்குமுலேட்டருக்கு வந்து நமக்கு ஆன்சர் 8 என்னன்னா 2 ஸ்கொயர் இஸ் 4 இஸ் ஆன்சர். ஸோ the multiplication is already discussed in previous class. ஸோ அதான் நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா அக்குமுலேட்டில் 04, அதாவது நமக்கு 2 ஸ்கொயர் வந்துருச்சு. ஸோ அப்போ என்ன பண்ண போகிறோன்னா இதை நமக்கு ஸ்டோர் பண்ணதுக்கு பதிலாக நம்ம ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். பிகாஸ் முதல்ல ஏவோட ஸ்கொயர் எடுத்து நம்ம ஒரு மெமரி லொக்கேஷன், ஏன்னா இன்டர்னலாக எல்லாத்தையும் ஸ்டோர் பண்ண முடியாது. இன்டர்னலாக நமக்கு தேர் ஆர் ஒன்லி 6 ரெஜிஸ்டர்ஸ். அதனால் ஏவோட ஸ்கொயர் வாங்கிட்டு அந்த ஏவோட ஸ்கொயர் வந்து நமக்கு என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்னா 8002லையும் 3லையும் ஸ்டோர் பண்ண போகிறோம். சேம் திங். அதாவது 8002ல் ஏ ஸ்கொயரோட ஆன்சர் பார்ட் 04 அண்டு 8003ல் இதோட கேரி பார்ட். ஸோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கோம்னா ஏங்கிற நம்பரை வாங்கி, ஏங்கிற நம்பர் 2 அதை வாங்கியிருக்கோம். ஸோ அதை ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணால் நமக்கு தெரியும் ஆன்சர் 0004. ஸோ இந்த 04 ஒரு லொக்கேஷன்லையும் 00 அடுத்த லொக்கேஷன் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிட்டோம். தென் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு கெட் த செகண்ட் நம்பர். This small thing is there because the second number is available in 8001. If you are increment this INSH, then here 8001 na varum. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a separate location for storing the data. So here the answer is available in accumulator and carry is available in D register. So what I am going to do is store accumulator 9000H. So I don't want to disturb this existing location because the second data is available in next location. So I am going to store the A square data in new location 9000. It is 04. Then the carry part is available in D register. So INX D answer carry part is available in D register. Move A comma D. Now again store accumulator 9001H. So the carry is available in D register, which is 00. As of now the carry is 00. store accumulator 9000, in the location 9000 we store the result part, that is 04, and move a comma d, d is 00, so accumulator is now 00, store accumulator data to 9001, so that to the 9001 we store the carry part of the answer 00. So as of now we stored 2 square data in 9000 and 9001 the carry part of the first data. Now it is 00. Always it didn't 00. So first part is over. Then second, the same thing you are going to do. You are going to, here accumulated data is not a 001, so we are going to clear the accumulator, MEA, because again we are going to square the second number. For square operation accumulated data should be 00, MEA A comma 00. Similarly for carry part D is 00. Then to get the second data, first data is 8000, you are going to increment pointer index h. So HL pair is 8000 is incremented, so HL pair is 8001. So we are going to use the existing memory pointer, so that only I stored the A square data in new location. Okay. Next we can copy this program. So accumulator 00, for D registers for carry is equal to 00, INSH 8001. So move B comma M 8001, we have the data 03, 03 is moved to B register, also 03 is moved to C register. After this operation, the accumulated data will be 09 3 square and the carry part will be 00. So we are going to store the data to the new location. The first data is 9000 and 9001. Now it is 9002 and 9003. So that 9002 we have the data 09 answer part of, and 9003 we have the data 00. So now it is simple. So we are going to add this number. So first going to read the data here. So for that the instruction is LHLD 9000. So that L register, the content of 9000 is stored in L register. Content of 9000 is 04. And the content of H register will be 9001. 9001 we have the data 00. So overall in HL pair we have H register 00 and L register 04. So this is the A square. So the A square now is loaded in HL pair. So now I am going to exchange the data to BC pair. EXCHG exchange. So this makes DE pair is 0004. A square is moved to DE pair because once again I am going to load the HL pair with the next data LHLD 9002. So in that intersection LHLD 9002. So 9002 and 9003 we have the data 0009. So after this HL pair will become 0009. The second data 0009, 8002 and 8003. So I have A square in DE pair and I have the B square in HL pair. Now our requirement is we are going to add A square plus B square. So we are going to add the 16-bit number DAD D. So this the meaning is HL pair added with DE pair and the answer is stored in HL pair. So 0004 0009 is added and the answer is available in answer. What is the answer? 000D, 000D, which is available in HL pair. Now we are going to retrieve the data to the new memory location SHLD 9500 H and program is entered. So that at finally from 9500 we have the data of LSB part 0D and the 9501 we have the carry part 00. So this is our answer. So this is a program for A square plus B square. So already we discussed a square of a number or multiplication program in the previous section. Yeah, 2 times we get the number and we make the square, and after that we get the 2 16-bit numbers and add a 16-bit operation DAD D. So this is a program for A square plus B square. So this question can be asked as a 16-mark question in the semesters. So A square plus B square, AB plus BC. So these kind of programs can be asked as a 16 marks. So before that we discussed முன்னாடி பார்த்த எல்லா ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸுமே வந்து ஒரு 8 மார்க்ஸ் இல்லைன்னா ஒரு 4 மார்க் அந்த மாதிரி தான் கேட்பாங்க. ஸோ கொஞ்சம் 16 மார்க்கில் இருக்க மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா இந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் வந்து கொஞ்சம் பெருசாக இருக்கும். ஸோ ஏற்கனவே நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடிய அடிஷன் சப்ட்ராக்ஷன் மேனிப்புலேஷன் யூஸ் பண்ணி ஸோ இந்த கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் வந்து பண்ணுற மாதிரி பார்த்துருவோம். ஸோ இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு இடம் செஞ்சு பாருங்கள். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ப்ரோக்ராம் எழுதி ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.